Hello viewers, welcome to the Power BI course. Today we are going to learn about compound measure. In previous video we learned about how to create a simple measure. If you did not watch that video and if you are interested, then please go ahead and watch that. I'm going to leave a link in the description, okay? So compound measures are when you use your simple measure in another measure, then it's called compound measure. Now in a real world scenario, when you create a report, the simple measures are not enough to create the report. You have some more calculation based on those simple calculations, and then you come across the compound measures. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to open Power BI desktop, and as you can see here, I have a product and sales tables. I'm going to create first a net sales measure. Okay, so I wanted to get a net sales by sales amount and subtracting discount from that. Okay, so I have selected a table, and then I have an option here for new measure. I'm going to click on that, and in formula bar my measure name is net sales, and I'm going to use the sum function and to get the total sales amount, and by subtracting a discount from it. Okay, so again a sum function in a bracket, I have a discount amount and close bracket and enter. Okay, so now we have this net sales measure. Now I'm going to click again on the new measure to create another measure. Okay, and this time my measure name is net sales per unit. Okay, so we are getting net sales per unit value from this measure, and then we will use that for the each product. Okay, so we can have our each product per unit net sales. Okay, net sales, and then I'm going to divide it by quantity. I have to use sum function for that, so sum of quantity. Okay, and then close a round bracket and enter. Okay, so we have our both measures ready. Now I'm going to visualize our net sales per unit by product. So I'm going to use a bar chart for it, and my product name and my net sales per unit. Okay, let me change the font size so you can see it. Okay, so here we have our outcome, our net sales per unit by each product. Okay, so this is all about compound measure, guys. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank